All right. Well, this is GBMC. We'll write that in there. All right, GBMC. This is the video to find our our mini winner for the GTSM show credit. So we'll check the time, March 16th at 11:45 a.m. Going to go over to the raffle and type live, and we have March 16th at 11:45 a.m. There is the list of our 6 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins 2 spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 6 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 6 is your winner. So, Jason, you will get our 2 main spots, and we'll get that baby closed out. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 16th, 11:46 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.